Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create your own flashcards on the Amazon Alexa application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, tap on the More button. Down below, click on See More. Tap on Blueprints and then click on All. Scroll down to the flashcard section, tap on it and tap on Make Your Own. Down below, after that you should type in your topic name, for example capitals. Then you should customize the cards. First of all, you should add your term into this first box and then the definition, and you can also provide a hint, so Alexa will help you when you don't know the answer first. So you can type it in, and as you can see, you can add as many terms as you want to, including the definition and the hint. Here you can find all of these options, and if you want to, you can add an additional one by tapping on the Add Card button. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.